Now let's move on to some interior parts of the brain. Let's discuss first the brainstem. The brainstem is the stem-like part of the base of the brain that is connected to the spinal cord. The brainstem controls the flow of messages between the brain and the rest of the body, and it also controls basic body functions such as breathing, swallowing, heart rate, blood pressure, consciousness, and whether one is awake or sleepy. Also, the reticular activating system is located in the brainstem, and it is responsible for your brain's alertness. The brainstem consists of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The midbrain regulates autonomic functions, those that the body carries out without conscious thought, such as digestion, heart rate, and breathing rate. A major structure in the upper part of the brainstem is called the pons. Pons serves as a message station between several areas of the brain. It helps relay messages from the cortex and the cerebellum. Without the pons, the brain would not be able to function because messages would not be able to be transmitted or passed along. In the pons, there is a structure called the hypotoxic center. It controls the amount of air breathed and breaths per minute. The pons is also involved in the regulation of deep sleep and dreams. The medulla oblongata is located in the lower portion of the brainstem. It is very important in things like heart rate and blood pressure. It's responsible for many reflexes in the body, or involuntary controls such as vomiting, sneezing, and coughing.
Created using Powtoon.